Hi and Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Halimah Binti Mustami from Med 4. Today, I will present about my individual task for mathematical reasoning subject. My presentation will show how to solve our PB question using guess and check method. So first, what is guess and check method? It basically when we make a smart guess for an unknown value. Check if it works, or if not, we adjust our guess and try again. We keep repeating this until we get the correct or closely answer. So, let me jump into our question. A local community plans to build a rectangular beach pond. The total surface of the area of the pond is 72 square meters. They decide that the width of the pond should be 3 meters less than half of its length. What should the dimension of the pond be? Also, calculate the perimeter of the pond. So, we will solve this question using a guess and check method. Let's see the step 1. We need to understand the problem. We are told that the pond is rectangular and the area was 72 meters square and the width 3 meters less than half of the length. So, what we need to find? We need to find the length and the width and also the perimeter. Like us know, the area was length times width, and the area for this beach pond was 72, and we simplify it, it becomes width equal to 1/2 length minus 3. Let's move on to step 2. Step 2, we need to devise a plan. We use a guess and check method, right? So, first, we will guess the reasonable length. We will compute width equal to 1/2 length minus 3. 3. We need to compute the area, which area equal to length times width. 4. Check if the area is 72 meters square and adjust our guess until we get close. We also draw a diagram to visualize the rectangular pond, which is this was the width equal to 1/2 length minus 3 and the length was L. Step 3, we need to carry out the plan. Let's begin by guessing some reasonable length and see how close we can get to the target area of 72 meters square. First, we guess that length will equal to 10 meters. Then, the width will be, we put the length into the formula, it equal to 2 meters. The width was 2 meters. The area also, area equal to length times width become 20 meters square, which is too small for our target, 72 meters square. So, 10 meters was not the answer. So, let's make the second guess. Let's guess length equal to 14 meters. When length was 40 meters, the width is 4 meters. And the area, 14 times 4 equal to 56 meters square, which is getting closer but still under 72 meters square. Then we need to make another guess until we get the answer. And the third guess, we guessed that length was 15 meter. When length 15 meter, width will be 4.5 meter, and the area will be 15 times 4.5 equal to 67.5 meters square, which is close but a little small. And again, we need to another guess. The fourth guess, let's make the length equal to 15.5 meter. When the length 15.5 meter, width will be 4.75 meter, and the area is 15.5 times 4.75 equal to 73.6 meters square. It is a bit too large. Since 15 meter give 67.5 meters square and 15.5 meter give 73.6 meters square, the correct length must be between these two numbers. So, let's guess between these two numbers. We'll choose the length equal to 15.4 meter. When the length was 15.4 meter, the width will be 4.7 meter, and the area equal to 15.4 times 4.7 equal to 72.38 meters square, which is almost perfect. So, length is approximately 15.4 meter and the width is 4.7 meter. And next step, look back and check, verify. Area equal to 15.4 times 4.7 equal to 72.38 meters square and equal to 72 meters square. Now find the perimeter. Perimeter was 2 times length plus width. So the perimeter is equal to 40.2 meter. The final perimeter is 40.2 meter. Here, data analysis and interpretation. Given data was area of the pond, width, the formula, and our guess. When we guess the length was 10, it's too small. When the length was 14 meter, it's still too small. When the length 15 meter, close. When the length 15.5, too large. So, the right answer was 15.4 meter and the width 4.7 meter. Interpretation. As the length increase, area also increase. The correct dimension that given area of 72 meters square are length 15.4 meter and width 4.7 meter. The perimeter is 40.2 meter. The conclusion, the fish pond should be 15.5 long and 4.7 meter wide to achieve the total surface area of 72 meters square. So that's all from me. Thank you for listening. Hope this will help you to see how guess and check can make our problem solving easier and more fun.